Here we see bar magnet. Each magnet has two poles. One is north pole and another is south pole. The first property of magnet is that we can't separate these two poles. Here we see the dotted lines, the dotted imaginary lines, which we are called magnetic lines of force. And these magnetic lines of force always originate at north pole and end at south pole. This is another property of magnet. Third one is, if we suspend freely this magnet, then freely suspended magnet always settle in north-south direction. Last one is, like pole, that are nothing but, if we take two bar magnet, the north pole and the south pole of these two magnets always repel each other. That means they go away from each other. While the opposite pole, that means north of first magnet and south of second magnet, these are the opposite poles. There is always attraction between opposite poles of magnet. Here we now we are observing single touch method. मॅग्नेटला सुईचा हा जो आहे भाग त्याला काय चिकटलेला आहे आयर्न फिलिंग म्हणजे सुई ही काय झाली टेस्ला मॅग्नेट टेम्पररी मॅग्नेट ओके तोरांच्याकडे